Hello friends, in this video we are going to create the custom log file in Magento tools. How we can build the custom log file. So this is the module custom log controller. We need to create index.php. So here we need to add the custom logger file. Okay. So here I'm defining each and everything. Execute string data echo is var log. Okay. So this is the var log on how we can write this logger info with the text. This log starting the data to the custom log file. So we need to define that file also custom log file. So let's go to the class. We have this index. We have a logger. We have a logger.php where we are this is logger extends monologger, and we have handler where we are defined file path name. So this is handler. File name is this one. That's it. Just make the file name. So basically what we have to handler.php, logger.php, and handler.php we need to define the path, and logger just it extends the monologger. So this is how we have make composer registration is the same. etc is just only module.xml, module.xml, di.xml. I don't think so. We required it. We don't. Here we have the di.xml file system, and we have to handle the custom logger. So here app orders custom log handler type file system because it needs to be in the file system, and here the logger file we have handler, we have logger, and custom log handler item name is app order custom log handler. Okay, so this is how the di.xml is built. And we have a front end. We need to define the routes. This is a custom module name. di.xml, module.xml, module.xml, app custom log. After that, we have done extension, and we can now achieve this via this method, like this logger. So what we have to do, I'm just defining this app orders custom logger. This is custom logger. After that, I'm using this logger method. After this logger method, I just need to print like this logger into whatever log you want to add, whatever array you want to add. Like this, we have already discussed logger info and with the text. So this is you can write this log in your custom file, and for debugging and everything you can use this in your. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.